agree, 'cause she ain't built that way. Why the two of them can never agree, 'cause they're not built that way. 'Tis true there is no effect without a cause. A woman can never come under a clause, and she never gives a reason for wagging her jaws, 'cause she ain't built that way. Don't give your wife any secrets to keep, because she ain't built that way. She couldn't hold him even in her sleep, 'cause she ain't built that way. She can keep you in water that is dreadfully hot, take when she can all the change that you got, but keeping a secret, why certainly not, because she ain't built that way. Woman can never jump over a fence, because she ain't built that way. When a mad bull chases, there's no defense, because she ain't built that way. She can kick up a row and upset every plan. She's been noted for that since the world began. She can't strike a match in the dark like a man, because she ain't built that way.